WGAZ offers scholarships to the performers of their activity who pursue academic excellence. All groups who participate in the WGAZ Championships are invited to submit applications from their students who are high school seniors or enrolled in college. Applications are subjected to a strict screening process and are selected on the basis of academic, artistic, and personal achievement. In addition, WGAZ rewards units by offering top honor recognition at all sanctioned competitions. These competitions offer the percussion or color guard performer a wide range of classifications in which to compete. Pride, excellence, competition, and commitment to our youth are the driving forces behind our organization. If you would like more information on Winter Guard Arizona, please visit us on the web at www.wgaz.org.